Hello friends, the topic of today's video is an outstanding speech on Ayodhya Ram Mandir. So let us begin. As said by the Indian Constitution architect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, cultural heritage is not only the imprint of past generations but is also the foundation for the identity of present and future generations. Greetings to one and all. As history unfolds, it is a moment of great pride and joy as we become the witness of the momentous event of the groundbreaking ceremony of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. This is indeed a significant chapter in our cultural and historical identity. Ayodhya is believed to be the birthplace of Lord Ram, a revered figure in Hinduism and a symbol of virtue, righteousness, and compassion. This sacred temple in Ayodhya not only holds historical significance but also is an architectural marvel. It is Nagara-style 3-story temple which is 161 feet tall. Its intricate carvings, majestic spires, and sacred sanctums are a tribute to skilled artisans and craftsmen who have dedicated their talent to this divine endeavor. The Ram Mandir will not only serve as a place of worship but also as a cultural and spiritual beacon. Pilgrims and tourists from across the globe will visit Ayodhya, contributing to the growth of the local economy and fostering a sense of shared heritage. Though the journey leading to this event has been marked by challenges, legal debates, and moments of tension, but now it has become a symbol of India's commitment to justice and secularism. It is an acknowledgement that India respects and celebrates the multiplicity of faiths and that our unity lies in the acceptance of our differences. As we look towards the future, let us draw inspiration from the principles that the Ram Mandir embodies, the ideals of love, compassion, and harmony. May it stand as an epitome of unity, reminding us of our shared past and inspiring us towards a harmonious and prosperous future. Thank you. Jai Hind. So that was all about this video, friends. Thank you. If you like the video, friends, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed it. Thanks for watching.